Solomon from hedging. As you can see, a lot of people have been asking me what is my secret strategy to grow my account very fast. And it's with scalping and hedging. If you want to grow your account very fast, you have to go high risk. High risk equals to high reward. Okay. When you're swing trading, you have some risk, right? But the risk is lowered. So with swing trading, it's still possible to make some profits. However, it's all about your exit strategy. What are you using? Are you using a stop loss to exit, or are you using hedging? How do you trade? Do you use indicators? Indicators can never predict the future. I've already explained that many times. I've already shown examples. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. What do? I simply look at the price and trade what I see on the market. Okay, is what has helped me to get all these things I need, and what has helped me to grow my account very, very fast. So what have I been doing? I've been scalping an account. I scalped about a 250 account. I grew it to over 90k profit. I recorded most of the trades there and I showed it to you. What else? So I started with a new account, new swing trading account, new scalping account. This time I started with about 750. We've already made some profit on it already. Today we're going to look at the market again to see how much profit we can make. Maybe I should have put the camera on the other side. But anyways, because the sun is there. Anyways, yeah. So what am I doing? What can you guys get from the channel? I give signals for 3 months for free if you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account with. I always recommend at least $650 to be able to join the Telegram group link in the description below. Message me trial on Telegram and I'll tell you how to join the Telegram group. You get signals for 3 months. And for those who are very busy and don't have time to trade, they don't have time to take signals, they don't have time for anything, but they want to make some money. I started the PAM account already. If you want to join, all you have to do is message me, copy on Telegram. Like I said, join the free Telegram group. You'll get more updates there. We're up over 5,000 members. We're trying to get to 10 to 15,000 members before the end of this year. And yeah, I'll give you instructions on how to join the copy trades. Remember, you must have at least $500 in your own account to be able to take the trades that I'm going to be taking. For example, if I have $10,000 in my account, you have $1,000 in account. If I take one lot on my account, it will automatically transfer as 0.11 on your account. So everything is automatic. Your account is not going to blow just because it's small. Everything is calculated. That's how PAM works. You take 90% of the profits split every month. I take 10% of the profits split every month, and you're not going to lose any funds because I'm using hedging as an exit strategy. What is hedging? Hedging is making profits to cover a loss. So if there's any loss encountered in the market, I'm sure you've seen some of my hedging videos. Even today, we might have a hedge, we might have a normal scalp, we might have a system A scalp, system B scalp. Whatever the market gives us, we adapt to what the market gives us. Okay, so you have no, you're not going to lose any funds because we're going to be using hedging as an exit strategy for the copy trade account. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, I take live trades with my students. We take live scalps trades, live swing trades. I share my screen on Zoom and we do it live. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com, and yeah, if you want to meet in person also, I'm in Europe. We can meet in person and I'll take live trades with you also. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's see what we have for today in the market, and we hope it's a profitable day. Let's see how far I can grow this account. Make sure guys to like, share and subscribe and click the notification bells on. Remember, when you click the notification bells, you have to click all notifications so that you can stay updated to the live streams that we're going to be doing. I'm going to start swing trading a new account and I'll start live streaming that. For a lot of you people that keep on asking, oh, what is that? Oh, why don't you show the entry? I always do. In fact, I do analysis for that, but you're not always here. When did I enter this thing? All that is there. All that is already recorded and uploaded. All your questions, like I said, if you want a new video, put what you want in the comment section. Do you want a vlog? Do you have a question? I'm answering people's questions. I'm making videos based on that. So the more questions I have, the more videos I upload. Okay, so yeah, like, share and subscribe, click the notification bells on, and it also helps with the engagement. Okay, I'm going to keep on uploading more and more videos so that we can get more views and more people have more questions to ask. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead, and we'll see what the market has in store for us today. All right, guys, I had to take this trade very quickly. I had to the signal came very quickly, and I had to click record and come back into the trade very quickly. So this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I've set my take profits. Let me just put a little alert. And yeah, this is one of my scalping system A. We started this account with $10,000. Our first trade was a hedge. Hedge is a way that I use to not make losses in the market. It's a way that I use to protect my account and compound very fast. Is a way to make profits to cover any loss, because you do not control the market. I do not fight the market. If the market changes to buy, I will start hedging. If the market is to sell, I will start hedging. I'm not attached to my trade. So with that being said, yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. If you want to test my signals for free for 3 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund in your own account. And if you don't have time to take signals, you just want to connect straight to my account, send me a copy on Telegram, link in the description below. Make sure to join our free Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members, like trying to get to 10,000 members. And for the copy trade, you need at least $350 to $500 to be able to be in your account, to be able to take my trades and allow for hedges. There will be no losses because we're taking hedges, and we keep whatever profits we make. We'll be right back soon. All right, guys, we're back, and my trade is about to be closed. So based on my system, I will have to close this trade very soon before we hit take profit. So there you go, $50 made in about 5 minutes scalping the foreign exchange markets. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. And yeah, we'll look at the profits we've been making. We made some little profits the last time. And yeah, we'll keep on growing this account. There's a playlist for this created. Make sure when you click the notification bells, you have all the notification bells on, so that you don't miss the live streams, the signals. Sometimes we do free analysis live streams on the channel, the shorts, videos like this. And yeah, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section below. It helps with the engagement, and it will help me bring what type of videos you want. Do you want to see more vlogs, driving videos, food videos, anything you want to see? Yeah, just put that in the comment section. Traveling videos, let me know. And yeah, we'll be right back with another trade soon in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. We'll be right back soon.